today to record our movies, all four parts. One part taken by the China, one part taken by the Indians, one part taken by the Pakistan, and remaining little part is called Azad Kashmir. So the Kashmiri people, they want their right of self-determination. The right of self-determination was given to them through the United Nations. Soon after, when the Pakistan was established, so then the military, Indian military tried to occupy the Kashmir, and this Dogra government, that's the Maharaja Hari Singh, yeah, he tried to control the Kashmiri Muslim population on that time. That's Indian military, they interfere into the Kashmir, yeah, without their willing to call them. So on that time the freedom struggle was started, and there's too many Kashmiri lost their life, and hardly they just recovered only, I think, 5,000 square miles on that time. The whole state is over 85,000 square miles. Out of that, 28,000 square miles come to Pakistan, that liberated on that time in 1947. And the rest of 35,000 square miles gone to the India. I think about 7 or 8,000 square miles gone to the China. So now the dispute is still there. Right of self-determination that was given by the United Nations, Shimla Accords and others, too many different accords taken under Russian governments and Indian and Pakistani backdoor diplomacy as well. But the really sad thing is, the Indian, they're calling they are democratic, but they never act like a democratic state. They always try to occupy the Indian armies, onto the Kashmiri people. Kashmiri people losing their life every day. There's nearly 800,000 military is on top of the Kashmiris. Every 7 or 8 Kashmiris had one military soldier sitting on their head. Now we are saying, these states should emerge to the peaceful states. The world is developed now. You can see that East and West Germanies are developed. They were enemy used to be. Whole European communities are developed. Why not?